What's going on, folks? Rob with Oddball RV. So today's an exciting day. It's just the day before we're getting ready to go to Dune Fest 2022. That's up in Winchester Bay, Oregon, and starting to get everything packed up and whatnot. Got the FL350 mostly buttoned up. Got a few little odds and ends for camera gear and stuff like that I'm going to work on. But other than that, we're ready to go. I got our new disc brakes on right there. Got them all bled. It's quite the process. You guys will see those videos in the future. So the thing that I want to do now before I actually take off on the trip is I want to do a compression test. Now, I built this motor about 3 or 4 months ago. I've only ridden it a little bit, and I do have an hour meter on my machine, so I'm going to get everything kind of turned on here. And it might be hard to see. My hour meter is down here. It's hooked up to my water pump, and it's showing 5.7. It might be, maybe I can get this in right. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Anyways, 5.7 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a compression test on this just to see where we're at, and after basically 6 hours of runtime, and compare that to what it was when I first rebuilt it. So I'm gonna get things set up, and then we'll get the camera going, and we'll show that process. All right, so we got the compression tester all plugged in and ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and turn her over a couple times, and we'll see what we get. Alright, it's reading just a hair over 125. We'll go ahead and reset this. Let it out. Do it one more time. Okay. So that's reading, let's see, let's say just over 130-ish. I'll have to look at the numbers offline. Alright, well there you got it, folks. Did the compression test, got about 130 pounds per square inch. Real happy with that. Engine's nice and healthy. We got about 6 hours on it, so obviously we weren't expecting a lot of huge changes. The goal is to continue to do these compression tests probably every 5 to 10 hours as I get back from bigger trips, and we'll do them. And then I'm going to put together a table of the compression test and the number of hours on the motor, and hopefully kind of get an idea of how the motor ages and at what point you should expect to have to do a rebuild on an engine. So with that, I'm going to button everything up here and start packing for Dune Fest. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video.